Tuesday, May 19, 2026. Focus. I glorified you on earth, having accomplished the work that you gave me to do. Many years ago, I was a young praise and worship leader. After a particularly anointed session, several participants came up to compliment me. I said the right words, all glory to God. However, my spiritual guide wondered whether I truly gave all glory to God or kept a part for myself. And I realized remorsefully that I had secretly kept some. Ours is an I-centric world. We continually seek validation and approval, likes on Instagram and Facebook. Far from giving glory to God, we highlight the good that we do and bask in the resultant praise. Thus, we steal the glory due to God. All through life, we have to accomplish various things entrusted to us. Sometimes we do well and are praised. Sometimes we experience trials or failures. However, when praised, we need to honestly redirect the acclaim to God, because every gift, every talent we have comes from Him. Jesus, although God incarnate, constantly glorified His Father while He accomplished His mission. If we experience trials or persecution, as Paul did, we should continue serving the Lord with all humility. Knowing the difficulties we face, Jesus will intercede for us, that God may be glorified through our steadfastness. Fruit, by serving others humbly and directing all praise to God, I will glorify Him and strive to accomplish His will for me.